Does your hair have 4 twist outs? Is it boring? Is it lame? Say no more. Amanda to the rescue. But first, intro! Look at this full voluminous head of hair. Are you jealous? Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I will teach you how to get heatless curls with Flexi rods. But your girl has to insert some shameless promotion somewhere over here. So, moving on, things you will need: wide tooth comb, moisturizer of your choice, but I stand to be corrected. Cantu is the best moisturizer in the world. I got mine at Super Cosmetics in town, if anyone is wondering, the one on Mamangina Street. Gel, though it's optional, but for me I find it defines the curls more. And definitely the star, Flexi rods. Some oil of your choice, and guys, I need donations. Mine is literally gone, it's done. You want your hair to be tangle free and super moisturized. If you don't have a moisturizer, you can use water instead. But do not wet your hair, just make it damp enough. This is because by morning you want your hair to be completely dry with beautiful curls. Part the hair into manageable sections, then apply your moisturizer, making sure every strand gets some TLC, tender loving care, especially your ends. Then go in and seal that moisture with some oil. After that, apply gel. Gel helps your hair stay in place, just a bit, not too much, but again, this step is purely optional. Take a Flexi rod and roll the hair firmly, not leaving out any strands. Then tuck in both ends as you can see me do. That easy. By the way, there are Flexi rods of all sizes and you can do it whichever way you want. This is just one method of doing it. Let's do another one so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. Parting hair, detangle, moisturize, oil, gel, Flexi rod. Tuck one end, tuck the other end, and do that for your whole head. And I'm done. Use a headscarf to sleep in it. And I'll see you tomorrow for the big reveal. Not very sexy, but oh well. Who are we trying to impress? No one. So see you tomorrow. Good night. The following day. But first, can we talk about this lip color? Ooh, it looked good off camera, but on camera it looks weird. Anyway, back to the big reveal, the curls. Make sure your hands are oiled to stop your hands from causing friction with your hair, thus causing frizz. We do not want frizzy hair. No, 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 no. Then carefully remove the Flexi rods. See those curls? Yes, girl, yes. So now you want to carefully separate the huge curls into smaller ones. More oil. Let's go. You can use your comb to make your hair more voluminous. Big hair don't care. Tease that hair from the roots. Now, do whatever you want with it. Style as desired, as your little heart contents. Thanks for watching, guys, and that's how you do heatless curls with Flexi rods. And if you want more hair tutorials, do let me know down in the comment section below. I love you. Subscribe for more videos and hit that post notification bell to get notified whenever I post. Remember to always do good, to stay true, and to have a lovely day. Until next time, bye.